we are replacing this plastic gutter. We're gonna put a half-round gutter here. But this is the reason it's been leaking forever on that plastic joint. Top of the roof here. I think some of these branches need to be cut back. And then, yeah, let's replace these gutters. Gutter section off, and this is how it looks. Just slam packed layers. No drip edge, but the roof is long. Got the gutter removed, so we can see right here. We trimmed a few branches. We gotta trim a few more. But the roof, yeah, definitely needs to be cleaned up a little bit. Maybe a moss treatment. We'll see if I have some. We're doing Galvalume gutters. Galvalume half round. Gutter half round. So we got external brackets like that. Looks really nice, clean. And we also have internal. So we're doubling up. And we have a max flow outlet, super size outlet, 3x4 downspout, matching color, Dove gray. And this is a heavy duty Galvalume gutter, heavy duty. Cleaned up the roof quite a bit, actually, made it look new. And then here we go with the installation, using screws, leveling the gutter to go down that way. The Leaf Blaster Pro larger hole, so it doesn't clog with moss, and it's a 6-inch screen. Gutter done and the screen installed. Got the max flow here with the downspout, looking good. Gutter machine half round in the trailer. We just ran what we needed and it's ready to go. This gutter and the downspout turned out amazing. We got to clean out as well. So we got screens on top, clean out the bottom, turned out nice. Just installed this half round gutter, Galvalume, with a largemouth outlet, 3x4 downspout, and the clean out. We have a half round gutter, Galvalume, 6-inch half round. We also have this max flow outlet, 3x4 downspout. And when we come to the bottom, we have a leaf trap, so your drain pipe does not get clogged. Finished up this job, got a clean out in there, gutter guards on top, and half round Galvalume, very beautiful gutter installed. So that takes care of this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll not have this problem again, or the noise. So take care and God bless you. See you next one.